Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I will be showing you all how I do my braid out. I've been rocking braid outs lately, so I just wanted to share with you all how I do my braid out. So let's get right into the video. Wait, almost forgot. Before we even do that, you should already know what I'm gonna say. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right in this corner right here. It's red. And once you're done doing that, go ahead and click the bell notification so you could be notified whenever I upload a new video, so I could pop up on your laptop, your iPad, your cell phone, whatever gadget that you own. I want to be on that screen. I will be using the Bella Curls Jamaican Black Castor Oil Hair Butter. So this is what it looks like. I've heard a lot of great things about Bella Curls, and I already tried this off camera, and I'm gonna just let it speak for itself. I'm not going to actually do a review on this because I've already tried it out and I already know how I feel about it. I'm working on freshly washed hair, so don't judge how I look like. I typically start in the back. I don't know, I just always start in the back. Today was a long wash day, so I left my hair in twists while washing just so it could be an easier process when styling. So I'm gonna just start on these back two sections. I'm probably not going to talk as much anymore just because I don't feel like it's necessary for me to talk. I hope that is self-explanatory of how to do your braid outs. The only thing I will say is once I get almost to the ends of my hair, I go ahead and I turn my braid into a twist. That way it's easier for me to unravel my hair, because it's hard taking out braids like at the very ends when you have 4C hair, just because our hair gets really tangled quickly and stuff. So, and the ends are the oldest part of your hair, so you want to kind of keep them together. So this is what the consistency looks like. I don't know if y'all can really see what it look like now. For my leave-in, like I told you guys in previous videos, I don't really use leave-in conditioner, so I'm just going to use some aloe vera juice that I have that's in my spray bottle, and that's basically my leave-in, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. No, I'm really just I don't know what else to tell y'all, but I'm having a good hair day, so I'm gonna go flick up one time, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Y'all, we are almost at 1,500 subscribers. Yay! I'm so excited about how fast this platform is growing, so thank you all so much for your support and your love here on my channel. Don't forget to comment things down below. Let's have a conversation, let's engage. Be sure to subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and go ahead and join the AB fam bam. And that is all I have to say to you guys. See you guys in my next video. Enjoy your day. Peace.